Show everybody how you're learning to crawl. You're trying. Push up. Push up on those legs. You can do it. There you go. Almost. Almost. You're trying. Keep going, Felix. Keep going, baby. Come on. Come on. Push up. Push up. Yeah. Come on, honey. Yeah, hi. Hi. Are you trying to crawl? Look at you go. Push up for me again. Push up. There. Oh. Oh, you're trying. Oh, you're trying. Yeah. Hi. Hi. Oh. 7 months old. Starting. It's starting. Okay. Alright. Is that the end of the lesson today? You gonna go somewhere? Oh, when he does start, he's gonna be a fast one. Look at you go. Look at you go. You're trying. You want Sophie to help you out? Maybe Sophie can help you. Come on, come get her. Come get her. Okay. Oh, look at. You just gotta keep trying, baby. I know it's frustrating. It's frustrating. Okay. Alright. Hopefully the next video will be you crawling. Okay. Bye-bye. Mwah.